how are you guys doing? In today's video, if you want to watch an instructional and quick video on how to use episode forms in depth in 2020, well, you're in luck. Keep on watching. Welcome to How to Navigate Episode Forms 2020 version. Today we'll be covering 4 different topics. Number 1, how to look at contests on episode forums. Number 2, how do I reply to different posts. Number 3, how do I post topics? And number 4, the final topic, how do I delete topics? So those are the 4 things I'm going to be covering today. Without further ado, let's get started with the video. So number 1, contests. First things first, what you gotta do is make sure you log in or create some sort of account. And to do that, you're just going to click this button right here on forums.episodeinteractive.com. You will just click it. I don't want to show any of my personal information, so I'm just going to skip to where I log in. Now we're going to cover how to look for contests. So make sure you're on the page and scroll down until you see announcements. You're going to go click that button and it should bring you up to this page. And a bunch of options should appear, and all you gotta do is click contests. And you're going to see a huge list of different things like new contests, the winners to our contest, and on this page you can look at them, reply to people. That brings us to our second topic. How do I reply to different posts on Episode Interactive? How do I reply to posts? So let's just go to a post, for example, this one right here. What you're going to do is, let's say you're at the page and it looks like this. Now this is great and all, but you want to learn how to reply to people. And if you notice over here, replying is really hard because if you click reply, it replies to a specific person. So you want to figure out, how do I reply to the whole topic in general? Just click this button over here and slide it all the way to the bottom. And it should bring it right here. And now you're going to click the blue button, reply. When I first started using the forums, this was so confusing, and when I finally found out, it became really simple, so don't worry about it. So our third topic is, how do I post different topics? Go to click the episode button, bring you back to the home page, and you're going to go ahead and click new topic, the button right here. And this should pop up. So this is your title. This is what everyone sees. So make sure it ends with an exclamation mark, question mark, or period. Otherwise, it will not work. So let's do this one. I want a profile pic and an artist. So if it matches exactly with one of these, it will not work. So make sure yours is a little different. Maybe add another exclamation mark. And now I'm just going to change the category to maybe art and resources. Add some tags. Whatever you want. And you can type here, hi everybody, I'm looking for an artist, this is my Instagram, DM me if you're interested. So after that, what you're going to do is going to click this blue button right here, and it should load, and it's going to bring you right here. So in order to delete a topic, which is our 4th and final topic that we're going to learn today on episode forum, deleting topics, all you got to do is click this 3 dotted symbol and a trash can, and it should disappear and it's gone. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Pat yourself on the back, you guys are amazing. You learn how to look at contests, you learn how to reply to posts, you learn how to post different topics and delete topics. Great job everybody. And also, thank you so much for watching this video, and if you're still watching, comment down below. What is the best tip you have for episode authors who are just starting their episode stories? So without further ado, I hope you guys have a great day, and I love you guys so much. Bye! Make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I post. Love you!